Hello everyone, today we are doing Corridor CTF on TryHackMe. So let's have a look at our nmap scan. So we have a web server on port 80 open, and it's just a Python server as well, which is kind of rare. So let's open up the server. So we get a corridor, and if you look at the page source, looks like it's a hash. So what we could probably do is just open up CrackStation and try to crack the hash. So we get result 1, and we have from the MD5 hash. So let's go back to our web page and let's try to do the last one, because if you go to Corridor, I'm pretty sure these take you, open the links up, which you can see here. So let's put in the last link and let's try to crack it, and we get 13. So this room talks about a IDOR vulnerability, and pretty much an IDOR vulnerability is pretty much like an indirect, direct access to like an object on their server. So pretty much you can modify like a URL and try to execute codes that like the people who designed the server don't expect. So you can just put in or anything, just any commands or anything like that, and just access like data from other users, maybe even credentials from other users, which isn't really secure. And you can understand why this vulnerability is pretty dangerous. So we could see this is 13 here. So we could go to a CyberSecurity, maybe change the URL since it's an MD5 number that's hashed. So we can go to CyberSecurity and just try to create it. So what we could do in the input field is put in like maybe 0 and put MD5. And we could probably use this hash to replace this one here, which is the hashed MD5 hash of 13. Let's change this to ours of 0. Let's see if we can get a flag. And we get the flag for the room. So pretty much this is just a basic misconfiguration on the server. So you can pretty much easy to mitigate with user access controls.